Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to Ayesha's Herbal Fruit and Vegetable Balcony Hutches. My name is Ayesha and this is my garden. So, do you like eating eggs? What do you do with your eggshells? Do you throw them away? Do you throw away your eggshells? Or you make something good out of your eggshells? Well, today I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to show you a remedy to control your pests. If you're having an issue of squirrels in your garden, I'm going to show you the best way you can manage it and a very effective, tried and tested solution to help you in your garden. So stay right close by, right behind your screens. Yes. So this is an eggshell. When you eat your eggshells, you make sure you wash it with soapy water, allow it to air dry, and then you can grind it in a blender for a smoother approach, or you can simply use your hand to squash them like I did here, and then you incorporate this into your soil like that of perlites. This has so many nutritional benefits to your plants. Eggshells. So Google the benefits of eggshells to plants. It has potassium, it has calcium, so many goodies that will help your plants to thrive. Yeah. Meanwhile, we're just gonna do a quick sneak peek on what is happening in the garden. So these tomatoes, I don't know. I was hoping that these ones would give me a very bigger one, but I don't know, it looks so tiny. I don't know why tomatoes are looking so tiny. Yeah, if you know the reason why, guys, let me know. I know this one is a cherry tomato, so I was hoping for a bigger size of tomatoes. So if you know what I can do to increase the size of my tomato, kindly let me know in the description or in the comment section below. Yeah, so I've harvested all my dashing. I've left this one, of course. I've harvested it. I used it in a recipe. You know, check out the recipe on my cooking channel, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Yeah, check it out. The link is in the description for you to access. These are my beans, my seedlings. Yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, you are most welcome to the garden. So these are tomato suckers that I'm trying to root in water. Yeah. So do you have the issue of pests in your garden? Pests like squirrels, and other, squirrels. Maybe you may have some rats as well. I don't have rats, but in the past I've had the issue of squirrels, chewing on my plants and what have you. And I've devised a solution to the problem, because one thing that is very disheartening is that as a farmer or a gardener, you put in much work in nurturing your seedlings into plants, only for a squirrel to come, a menace such as the squirrel, to come and eat all your vegetables. So the solution is right in your kitchen. So as you can see, this video is in my kitchen. So all you need is a couple of ingredients in your kitchen, and that will solve the problem. So what do we need? So we need garlic pills. If you want it to be very, very potent, you can add maybe one clove of the garlic in there, and then in water. As time goes with time, it's going to soften up in the water, is going to disintegrate. And we know garlic has allicin, which has so many health benefits to humans. However, when it comes to animals or pests, their digestive tract cannot really contain these compounds found in the garlic, as allicin. So similarly, we'll need onion peels. You can use the white onion peels or the red, but if you want the efficacy of the solution, I'll advise you to use the red onion peel, because that one is more potent. So I have a couple of, so this is how to get the peel of your garlic. Just ruffle it up a bit like that. It's like you're massaging it, and then just get it off without actually removing the whole clove. See? Yeah, just get it off like that. And then get as many peels as possible. Whenever you are cooking and you are working with onions, ensure that you remove the peels, set it aside. Anytime you are cooking, just keep piling it up, as well as the garlic as well. And then with time, you will have enough as enough can be to utilized in your garden. So I have in a clean jar. So you see, I've run out of containers, so I decided to use this one instead. But if you have a milk bottle that is empty and is thoroughly washed, you can put some clean running cold water in there. I have another video of how to control pests in your garden. I'm going to put the link of that video in the description for you to access. So to make the solution, you need a container, and of course with a lid that will keep everything in place. And then you need your peels, your onion and garlic peel. So what you just do is just gently put your peels in the container or jar or whichever. Ensure that you have one clove in there. That would disintegrate into the water and get it well infused with time. So I'm just gonna put them in here. Trust me, this solution with time, it smells, and I guess the squirrels doesn't like a very potent, very strong smell. I have this is tried and tested, because I am using that, and it gets rid of the squirrels. So what I normally do, so I'm just gonna stir this briefly using a wooden stick like this or a spoon. I'm just gonna ensure that everything is well infused into the water, and just give it a gentle stir. So with time, as the days goes by, you will see that the color of the red onions has, you know, infused into the water, and it's gonna give it a change into a reddish color. So this is very simple. You just place your lid in, and then you can even shake it as well. Shake, 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 and set it aside. Allow it a couple of about 3 days, and then you can start using it from there. By then, everything would have infused thoroughly into the water. So what I normally do is that from 5 p.m. going, then I normally spray it in the garden, you know, because the squirrels, they normally come at night. Yeah, although you can also, depending on the location where you live and where, you know, your garden is, maybe the squirrels comes, you know, daytime or whatever. So just ensure that the area that you want to focus on, you spray some of this solution around the vegetables or yeah, and then with time, it's, you know, it will get rid of your pests. So I hope this video is beneficial to you. Please give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. Don't forget to share the video. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye.